Right, I'm out by myself today. I'm on my way to Cangas Onus. Just gonna have a look around there. Little town, about 19 miles along the road. I'm just arriving there now. It's only supposed to be a small place, this, but it's got a quite large town centre. Turn left along here. Find somewhere to park. And I think that's where we are. The bridge should be somewhere around here, according to the woman on the reception. I've only really come to Picos De Europa to look at the bridge. I reckon it was a nice bridge. I've been looking for it, and it was just around the corner from the main road and the main street. But I found it easily from the directions what the receptionist give us. The water in these rivers, it's lovely and clean. You can see the bottom, people swim in them. Not like our rivers, where they're dark and dingy and you cannot see nothing. It's a lovely bit of architecture, this bridge. And the place where it is, it's lovely as well. You cannot fault the scenery. I keep saying it, but you can't fault it. Depth indicators on the wall. The river must get quite high in the winter. Well, that's me visit over at the bridge at Picos De Europa. I'm just going to have a look around the town centre now, and I'll make my way back to the hotel. Short little video, but this is all I came for. So we'll see you later.